The Bluetooth speaker market is absolutely overflowing with products, but competition usually only comes down to a handful of brands. Ultimate Ears started out by making in-ear headphones for touring bands, and after being purchased by Logitech, quickly made a name for themselves in the Bluetooth speaker market. Speakers like the MegaBoom offered premium sound and the ability to daisy chain over 100 devices. The MegaBlast loses that functionality, but gains Wi-Fi connectivity for Alexa integration and music streaming services. But does the sound on this $300 speaker stack up to others on the market?
The MegaBlast employs the same cylindrical design that offers 360-degree sound as we've seen on similar speakers. The woven cloth and rubber accents provide IP67 waterproofing though, which allows the MegaBlast to play under less than a meter of water for up to 30 minutes. A nice perk to have on your portable entertainment. Two large volume buttons run along the side of the speaker, and up top lies a power and Bluetooth button. At the bottom is a screw-in metal link to which a strap or tripod can be attached. Or, this can be replaced with an inductive charging piece, which unfortunately only works with UI's proprietary dock, sold separately for $40. It is a nice convenience to have though, especially if you'd like to leave the MegaBlast in an always-on state for Alexa use. Wi-Fi connectivity adds the ability to stream music without a phone directly from the MegaBlast, but is limited to Pandora, SiriusXM, iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Not our favorite selection. No offense to Amazon's music service, but it feels unintuitive and underdeveloped, leading us to long for alternatives. The other services only offer radio-esque functionality, a much more limited experience than say Spotify or Apple Music. As mentioned, the MegaBlast forfeits the ability to daisy chain multiple speakers, unlike its lesser-priced older sibling, the MegaBoom, which can support connections to over 100 MegaBooms simultaneously, an unfortunate and seemingly arbitrary loss. The MegaBlast does have a range of about 150 feet though, which will be useful for your backyard barbecues and in-house dance parties. Speaking of control, the UI companion app doesn't offer a whole lot of it. Used almost exclusively for initial setup, the app only controls the muting of Alexa's hot word detection, nothing else. But if you're curious whether you're connected to your Wi-Fi or what your device's serial number is, then the UI app is there for you. Two major things we'd add though would be interfaces for the MegaBlast's inbuilt streaming music services and volume control for the speaker while using such services. As it stands right now, the only way to control streaming music playback, or the volume of which, is by shouting at Alexa, most times in vain. Of course, this isn't the case when you're using your phone or other gadgets as your playback device. In terms of playback, sound quality on the speaker is pretty good. Mids and highs are loud, crisp, and composed, but bass response left us longing. The MegaBlast gets plenty loud though. Able to fill a large room or backyard with crystalline acoustics, the MegaBlast sounds rich and treble, and like many speakers, sounds best a few clicks below full volume, where the sometimes piercing highs are notched down a bit, and overall sound appears to have the best balance. The speaker sounds best though when placed in the corner of a room, as the walls help to reverberate the sound and create a fuller sonic experience, somewhat mitigating the speaker's mediocre lows. Meeting the standard of most of its competitors, the UI MegaBlast is rated for 16 hours of playback time, a threshold we found quite believable based on our prolonged use. Of course, volume level and other factors like Wi-Fi strength can chip away at this.
The UI MegaBlast offers a lot of value, even at this price point. IP67 waterproofing, colorful appearance, and enviable sound top off a solid package. Alexa integration could be deepened, as well as the acoustics, but even so, it'll be hard to regret purchasing this speaker. As for alternatives, you might want to check out the Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus, as it does have metal construction and possibly better sound, but lacks IP67 waterproofing or any waterproofing of any kind. I'm Corey Gasker of the Phone Arena. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for our latest reviews.